Hello everyone. Today we're going to be replacing the license plate lighting setup. And the way we're going to do that is that we have some OEM parts from MegaZip. We have the OEM lens cover, a brand new one. We have a lens cover gasket, and we have some new LED bulbs, which we're going to replace the other ones, which are warm, but this is going to give our car a little bit more of an updated look. I purchased these LED bulbs from Amazon. I actually went to AutoZone and O'Reilly's and Advanced Auto Parts looking for a set, and I couldn't find the ones for the R33. So they're a 158. I got a set again from Amazon. They shipped them over, but there's a little bit of a difference between a couple that you can get. I got the regular LED bulbs, but they also offer a super bright version, and I really didn't want to do that because I didn't want to drive and have my license plate like just this really extreme lighting. So we went with the regular ones, and I'm really excited. All right, let's get started with the install. All right, so here's the two lenses. Each lens has two screws, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna move both lenses, and so we can get the housing and the light bulbs out. All right, so this is the housing and the gasket. We got that, and now we're gonna remove the light bulb. All right, we're gonna go ahead and remove the light bulb. Now we're gonna take everything to the bench. All right, everyone, check this out. Look at the difference between the new ones we got from MegaZip and the old ones. I mean, this makes sense because these regular light bulbs, they put out heat. And over time, the heat, the humidity, the different weathers, and just the wear on plastic, look at that difference. I did try to clean this, and this is just the state of the plastic. So with these new ones that we have on, we also have some new gaskets, and we're gonna be replacing this light bulb with a more efficient and cooler colored bulb right here. All right, let's go do it. All right, before you close up the lenses, just make sure you have these correct, because if you put it in the wrong way, it's not gonna turn on. So just check it before you close everything up. All right, we're simply gonna put the new bulb in, slides right in, and then we're gonna put a gasket in. And then we're going to put one of our lenses over it, like this. And then we're going to get our screws, and we're going to start them. And what this is going to do is going to keep everything in place when we flip it over. And look at that, guys. It is a big difference. And I was right not to get the super bright ones because this is the exact level of lighting and intensity that I want. It really, really looks good. All right, guys, that worked out. I usually do this with any new car that I have if it doesn't have LED bulbs. I know a lot of you guys do it as well, but it just really updates the car and it's pretty simple to do. Well, guys, go to MegaZip. Not only can you get those new lenses, but you can get so many parts for your GT-R. It is a really great website. As a matter of fact, we have an affiliated link. If you go to the description of this video, you'll see the link. Use that so you can go in there, browse, and if you order something, you help out our channel. Because at the end of the day, we like to make these videos, but that also keeps us motivated to keep making them. All right, guys, thank you very much. You stay safe, take care, and we'll talk to you soon.